dance is called support. In Chinese is Chan Fu. It's a 32 count, 4 waltz. There's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, rock your right to the side, recover on left, ball step right next to left with a cross. Ball step, cross. Step your right to the side, behind side. Cross left over right, recover, make a sailor quarter turn to your left, behind side, side. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, modified rumba box. Side together, forward, side together, forward. Step right forward, make a pivot quarter turn to the left, forward lock step, forward lock step. Section 2 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, make a quarter to the left, stepping your left, step your right next to the side, and step your left next to right. Cross right over left, make a quarter to the right, stepping your left back, step your right next to left, rock left forward, make a half turn to the left, stepping your right back, and do a back lock back, back lock back. Section 2 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section, New York step to your right. Big step, rock back, recover. Big step, rock back, recover. Step right to the side, touch left behind right. Unwind 3/4 to your left. 3/4, transfer weight to the left, touch right next to left. Last section with the count. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3,